Streamlining posting for remote teams is essential to boost productivity and keep everyone on the same page. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple way to make posting for remote teams more efficient and less time-consuming. If you've ever felt overwhelmed with trying to organize your remote team's posts across multiple platforms, stick around because I've got a solution that'll make things much easier. First, let's talk about the importance of centralization. The key to streamlining posting for remote teams is to centralize your content. Instead of having each team member posting on different channels separately, using one platform to schedule and manage posts can save you hours each week. Whether you're managing blog posts, social media updates, or internal communications, keeping everything in one place reduces confusion and makes everything more organized. Now, let's dive into the software that can help make this happen. We've all tried various options for managing remote teams and posting content, but not all of them work well for everyone. The software we'll be using today allows you to schedule posts, collaborate with team members, and even track engagement across multiple platforms. What's great about this tool is that it lets you plan content in advance, assign tasks, and keep track of deadlines all in one place. I've personally tested this, and it's by far the easiest way to manage posts for remote teams. If you want to follow along, I've got an exclusive free trial of this software linked in the description below. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so make sure you grab it. Another feature that really streamlines posting is the ability to create content templates. You can set up reusable templates for different types of posts, making it easier for everyone to create consistent content quickly. This feature helps eliminate the need to start from scratch every time, ensuring that all your posts are on brand and follow the same format. Next up is automation. With this software, you can set up automated posting schedules. You no longer have to manually post updates across various channels. Simply set your content to post at the right time, and the software takes care of the rest. This not only saves you time, but also ensures that your posts go out when your audience is most likely to see them, without you having to lift a finger. Collaboration is another essential part of streamlining posting for remote teams. With the software we're using today, you can assign posts to team members, track their progress, and provide feedback without jumping between emails or different platforms. This means everyone stays in the loop and there's no confusion about who's responsible for what. To recap, centralizing your content management, using templates, automating posts, and enhancing collaboration are all key ways to streamline posting for remote teams. These strategies will not only make your team more productive, but also ensure that your posts are consistent, timely, and impactful. And finally, the key takeaway from this video is that by using the right software and organizing your workflow, you can save time and avoid the stress of juggling multiple platforms. Everything you need for efficient posting should be in one place. Remember to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software I mentioned in the description below. Don't miss out on this chance to make managing posts for your remote team as smooth as possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.